Assalamualaikum beautiful people. If you are having this kind of errors, just follow these steps. Step 1. Download this JDK file from this link. I'm gonna provide you this link to my video description. Just copy it from there and paste it to a browser. Ctrl V. Okay. Now download it. Download anyway. Okay, I have already downloaded it. So this is the process how you can download this JDK file. Now install this JDK file. Next. Close. So installation is complete. Now go to this PC, local disk C, and then go to program files, find Java here, and then JDK 16.01. Now copy this path, search environment, edit the system environment variables, then environmental variables. Here in system variable box, press new, type Java home and paste that location. Okay. Now go to command prompt, run as administrator. Yes, type Java --version. There you go. There is no error. So this is the basic way to solve this problem. I hope your problem is solved, but if it does not, you can share me your problem in the comment box below. I will try to reply that with an appropriate answer. Thank you.